A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment. Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this video in which we'll talk about Floki or Floki, whatever you want to call it. Wanted to cover it for I think obvious reasons today. We've been very bullish in the last couple of hours. I think it's been pretty recent. As you can see right here, we're up about 25%. We've already dropped down quite massively. At the very top from this initial move, we were up about 48%, which is also what I saw when I woke up. But now, as I said, we've dropped down quite a bit. Volume is still very high. Around 65 million, which is about more than a quarter of the market cap in volume. So that volume is still great and it's still increasing. So it's definitely not that Floki is necessarily done right now, but technically it's not looking that great. But we'll talk about that. First, what's causing this move is mainly, I think, this tweet by Elon Musk showing his dog, which is called Floki, and you can also see it on the picture, which definitely helps. And I think this move is purely based on that. It's purely based on the hype, which is great somewhere for Floki, but somewhere it also isn't. Usually in terms of price, it causes a spike and then a dump, right? Even though I think, and I feel like I have to say that, but I think that Floki is actually the most serious meme coin out there. If I would even... if I'm even still allowed to call it a meme coin, but I'm just doing it because most people, I think, still see it as that. So don't take that as an offense. But apart from that, I mean, Floki is doing well. They actually have some real things going on. So I think you should know that. Floki is less of a meme coin than the other meme coins, at least. But this move is purely fueled by the hype. I mean, this was posted at 4:17 a.m. And this move started after 4:20 a.m. Right, so pretty good timing as well. And then we started that move, and so that's where we are right now. So as I said, usually when you have a move like this, just fundamentally, usually you have a spike and then you drop down. Now I think with Floki, since they actually have some things going on as well, and since there could be some continuation on this, we might be able to hold this hype, but we can all explain that with the technicals. Right now, we hit the significant resistance level around... I'm not sure how to say these levels. I mean, I'm just going to say I think I'm going to say this is 2700. So this would be 3300, 3200. And we hit that as a resistance level, found resistance there. And what we did, which is actually ruining our chances quite a bit, is that we actually dropped down below this level here around 2850. Hopefully you still know what prices I'm talking about. We dropped down below that, dropped down below the 382, also dropped down below the top of this bigger key area, as you can see. So now we've actually found support around the 618 of this recent fib, but now we have that as a resistance, 2850. So I think we'll get up there, but I think it's more likely because of the nature of this move, but also because of the momentum in the markets. I think it's more likely that we'll find resistance there, maybe consolidate for a little bit between 2850 and 2500, but eventually give up 2500 as a support and continue to drop down to at least this level around 2200, upon which I think we will actually find support. From there we could actually very well still trend up, but I think at this point of time, just purely based on the technicals, while also acknowledging the fundamentals of this move and the nature of the move, I think we should say, I think this is the most likely scenario. Now, I think this has like a 75% chance probability. There's a small chance that the momentum is actually bigger than what we expected. In which case, right now, as I said, we're testing 2850. If we can actually break above that, really break above that, at least on the 1 hour time frame, then I think we can continue and actually reach up higher than this, up towards like 3500. It's possible. I've seen it before with meme coins like these and with the hype that it causes sometimes. As I said, I think this is more likely at this point of time still, even though this last candle is looking pretty bullish. But it's really like 25 or 75 to 25 in terms of probability. I'll keep monitoring this. I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, that's my take on Floki. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.